Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. For those of you who are new, welcome. I hope that you will stick around. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We are close to our 300 mark for our 300 subscriber giveaway. So those of you that are new, every 100 subscribers, I do a giveaway. And I believe we are like 5, 6 away from that. So please don't forget, you guys, hit that subscribe button so we can go ahead and get that up and started. So if you're new, I am Mandy's Beauty is primarily an unboxing channel. I do other things. I do branch out. I do work a lot at my other job, so I am trying my best to, produce videos and get more videos out there. So that's still in the progress. For those of you that have been here and stuck around with me, thank you so much. I'm hoping to start doing more videos. I know I've said this before, but I really am trying hard to come up with ideas to, do some more. So with that being said, please stick around. Like I said, subscribe, hit that that little notification bell. That way you guys are notified when I do upload a video, since I'm not really on a set schedule yet. But with all that aside, you guys, today we are here for a reason, and it is for an unboxing. And this one is the Ipsy Plus. So the Ultimate, I've seen some thumbnails where people are like, this is it, I'm done. So I don't know, I heard somewhere that we were getting a really good palette and it might be next month or something. I don't know. But that, depending on what the box looks like, it may be the last Ultimate. I believe I'll still get obviously I'll get the Glam bag, and I'm pretty sure I'll stay with the Plus. But I think the Ultimate is going to become like an every 3-month thing where I, instead of doing it monthly, maybe do it every 3 months, because it is quite expensive. And obviously I do not get sent PR from anybody. So all this comes out of my pocket. So with that being said, I guess we'll wait and see for the Ultimate video how I feel, and we'll go from there. But for today, we are, like I said, doing the Plus. This is a $25 subscription, and it does come monthly. The Pluses haven't been so bad. It's the Ultimates that have been really horrible. This one actually is like opening up, so hopefully there's some good stuff in there. I know I did get a couple add-ons. So when you open it up, that is what it looks like. And it is wrapped in orange. And there's the inside. And this is one of the add-ons. I ordered 2 of these because I love this stuff, you guys. So this is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melter. And I could not believe that they were selling full sizes for $12. And I just bought a mini off Sephora for $22. So when I seen this, I snatched up 2 of them. Probably should have snatched up 3, but there should also be 1 in my Ultimate box as well. All right, with that aside, I don't know if I've gotten anything else added on, but we'll see. This is kind of stuck to here. I don't think it's part of it. Yeah, it's definitely not part of it. It's just stuck to it. So yeah, because this is an envelope and I'm literally having to peel this off of there. That stinks. Ruined my card. Way to go, Ipsy already. Okay, so there's my mangled card. And it is a Feel the Love for February 2020. And then there better be products in here. There is not. Come on. Is there another card in there? No. All right, so they do this to me all the time. They keep giving me stuff and I don't have a card to explain what's in there. Okay. So the inside of this says, will you be our Valentine? Hey you. Wow, you look great today. That shade, it's perfect on you. We wanted to let you know that you're doing a killer job. We get that life isn't always easy and liquid eyeliner is so hard. Okay. But you've totally got this. And just in case you needed to hear it, we love you so very much. So give yourself a big hug and let's keep in touch, okay? Talk to you later. XOXO Ipsy. Okay. And then on the back it says save the date 2/24. Love at first click. Keep those lovely dovey vibes going by choosing your favorite product on choice day 2/24. treating yourself to exclusive bundles up to 80% off, and indulging in flash sales. You deserve it. Choice is normally on the 2nd. So I don't know why it's on the 24th, but mark your calendars, I guess, for that. All right, let me make sure. Yeah, there is nothing in there that tells me what everything is. All right, so the bag this month, I mean, it's kind of cute, simple, normal bag. I do like the colors. It has the Ipsy in there, has a little Ipsy on here, the maroon. And I would say it's kind of like a, I'm not very good at describing colors, but like a pewterish, purplish, I don't know. But that's just, to me, like a standard glam bag that doesn't, I don't think this is big enough for the plus, but that's just my opinion because I'm probably being really super picky with Ipsy. All right, so the thing that was stuck is this, and never heard of it, and it is larucebeauty.com. Vegan, cruelty-free, hyperallergenic, and synthetic. So I'm guessing this is brushes. And it is. So brushes are always good to get. And then there's the empty envelope. I do like the touch. It's cute. There's the name. And then there is the back that I was reading. I do like it. It's cute. Let's see what the brushes are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to me, they kind of look like the Moto brushes. But it looks like we have some face and eye brushes. Let me take these out of the packages real quickly for you so you can see them. Sorry about the noise. I actually kind of like the aesthetic of them, so I'm not really upset with that. So it looks like here are the 2 face brushes, and it is LR334 Angled Contour, which is a nice brush, and it has like a kind of Moda feel down on the bottom. There is your number, and it's like, you know, kind of pointy. There's, I guess, their little symbol that kind of looks demonic, but okay. This one is a flat foundation, LR335. So there's that. And they are very soft. And again, and then we have, looks like 3 face brushes, eye brushes. Okay. This says it's a kabuki brush. I've never seen a kabuki brush this small. So this is LR222. Again, it has the symbol. And there is, to me, that looks like a concealer, like maybe a wet concealer brush. I mean, granted, there's no rules in brushes, but that's kind of weird that says kabuki brush. I don't know. Maybe I just haven't seen it. It is soft. It's nice. Probably something that I would use to like put on my eye primer. And then we have a tapered blending, LR005. I really like that one because it's small. Again, our little demonic guy. I really, really like that one. Really like. That's probably going to be a new favorite. Really like that one. All right, and this looks like a shadow one, and it is. Exactly says shadow. LR110. Oh, it has the, I didn't even see that on the fennel there, or whatever you call them. Has the name Laruce. I don't know, I'm probably saying that wrong. But there is this small shadow brush, which is nice because for me, I have small eyes, and I do like a small little shadow brush like that. So I'm excited about this, actually. I wish I knew how much it was. So again, we will have to, well, I will have to go onto the website and go, you know, down below in your description and put all the prices down there for you, which I will do. All right, moving on to the next product. And you guys, I'm still trying to get over this cold. It's not leaving. I don't feel horrible anymore. It's just I can't breathe. I can't catch my breath. So if you hear me again, you know, huffing and puffing and trying to catch my breath, that is why. This is Dr. Botanicals. I don't believe we've ever had this in a box. Pomegranate, it's PO, I guess. Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. It is vegan-free, cruelty-free, and what does that say? Natural World. 1.1 ounces. That is what the product looks like. Let me open it up, and then I will tell you. Oh, it's a cute little bottle. I really like it. Okay. So I'm going to just read what it says on the back. It says, usage 2 to 3 times per week. Apply a thin layer onto clean, dry skin in the evening. Allow the mask to sink into the skin and leave overnight. Cleanse as normal in the following morning. Warning, discontinue use if redness occurs, avoid eye contact. Let's see, what else does it say here? It says, our products are fresh. Please use within 3 months after opening. For best results, please store in the fridge. The Apocathy, okay, range brings together science and superfoods to create innovative, natural, ecological, and vegan-friendly skincare treatments. Our products are truly natural and free from harmful chemicals such as synthetic perfumes, colorants, and parabens. Experience what pure natural skincare can do for you. Our pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask is a perfect hydrating overnight treatment for thirsty, dull skin. Okay, definitely give this a try. Let's see, is it sealed? I don't want to open it yet because I do want to. I'm not going to open it because I do want to use it. I just need to get through that Avant sleeping mask that we got before I open this. It does say use within 3 months. All right, so not terrible yet. Not terrible. All right, next item makes it terrible because here we go again. It is a black eyeliner, it looks like. And I believe I've received this product before. Makiage Inkliner. And it is in black. It is in black. Imagine that, you guys. It's in black. I'm not going to open this. I'll show you what the component looks like. I'm not going to open it because I have 100,000 black eyeliners. So there is what it looks like. For those of you that are, you know, regulars with me, you know that I rant every time I find a black eyeliner. So Ipsy, I know you're not listening, but please send colored liners, something fun, and send a black eyeliner once every 6 months because you have no idea how many black eyeliners I do have. Now this company is not that bad. I will say it's not bad. I know I've had like their mascara and stuff, and honestly I don't think I've tried that either because that's another product that we get a lot of. So it's probably sitting either in a giveaway or aside somewhere for me to try. So I'm not 100% sure if I have received this, but either way, it is a black eyeliner. I believe it's a filler product. They probably have this marketed at like $15 to $20, so try to boost up the box with that. All right, but you can always expect one bad item in a box. So it looks like we are down to 2 items left, and one is from Urban Decay. Okay, or is it? No, why did I say Urban Decay? It's definitely not Urban Decay. To me, it looked like device packaging. That's probably why I said that. But this is Belle and... Oh, they can't send anything that I can say. Argent. And it's in the color 3 Plays, which is beautiful, beautiful color for me. A Tour Matte? I have no idea. Never heard of this. Why I thought it was Urban Decay. Maybe I was getting excited. I don't know. But hey, wow, packaging is on point, you guys. Beautiful packaging. Wow. And then the bottom, I wish it did have the color, but that's okay. Obviously, I'm going to know. Oh, and it's magnetic. Yeah, that's so satisfying. I love that. Obviously, I'm going to know what this is. It has little stars there. That's really cute. And then here is the color. Oh my gosh, that's really pretty. That is so me. Doesn't really have much of a smell, but we'll go ahead and do a swatch of it. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful, very creamy. I absolutely love it. Let's put a little bit in the center here. Try to lighten it up. Yes. Okay. Not bad. See, this is why I said I probably will keep the Plus, because the Plus sends pretty good stuff and you're only paying $25, you know, instead of $50. So I'll probably keep the Plus. Please start sending me my papers. All right, so the last item, actually, I think I seen this spoiled. I'm not sure. I think I did though. And it is a Dominique Cosmetics palette, which is amazing. We did receive a Dominique Cosmetics palette before. I believe it was BoxyCharm, and it was the Celeste Thunder palette. So this one is, does it tell me? I think it's like a sweater or something. What is this? Did it tell me the name of it? No, of course it doesn't tell you the name. Sweater Weather, that's the name of a shade. I don't know, leave it down below. Obviously I don't have a paper in front of me, but I will find out because obviously I'll go on the website and look. But so far it looks cute. On the back it does have the shades. I do like little palettes like this, and I do like her formula. So let's see what it looks like. When you open it up, it is the same packaging, and she is cruelty free and has her information on the back. All right, so dun dun dun. All right, there's no little piece to hold it on, but that's okay. Oh, plastic piece. And there are your colors. Not bad, not bad at all. So we have Sweater Weather, Fuzzy, Toasty, Cuddle, Chill, and Messy Bun. I actually really like this color story. It's really pretty, it's dainty, it's nice, it's something unique. I don't have anything pretty much like this. This like color right here is really calling my name. Like they all are. So let's go ahead and swatch them and see how they perform. They're very soft. Looks like they're all matte. Yeah, I think they're all matte, which is something I don't really like. I do like to have a shimmer. Yeah, they're going to be very subtle, it looks like. Oh, but they're pigmented. That's that one that was like skin color. Oh my gosh, they are pigmented. Wow, for pastel-y colors, that's not bad. Okay, and then we have two more. Now I will have to pull, like I said, either like a glitter or something out to complete this palette. But I think it's really cute. Actually, I really do. Okay, okay. Not bad at all. One swipe swatches. Very, very pretty. I don't know if you can see. Okay. So this one obviously was like a little bit patchy, but it is a dark color. But definitely can build it up and make it look nice. This one's going to be a great transition shade along, well, I mean, it's going to be a pretty palette, you guys. I really like that. Not bad. I wonder how much it is. But okay, so what do we think? I think it's good. I like it. Not bad. So let's recap. We have no card to tell us our prices, but we do have a bag that looks like the regular Ipsy Glam bag, so it's not that big. And then we have what I thought was Urban Decay, but it is a lipstick. Very, very beautiful lipstick. We have a skincare product. We have another filler black eyeliner. We have a brush set that actually looks really, really nice. Can't wait to use that. Love getting tools, especially a whole set. And then we have a palette from Dominique Cosmetics. I think it was actually a really good box for $25. I'm betting that this palette pretty much is $25. So that pretty much paid for the box. And I'm going to make a fool out of myself and guess that these are probably like $30 to $40. Probably, I don't know for 100%, but just my guess. And, you know, so I'm guessing we're probably at like $120 value box maybe, give or take. We'll see when I go, you know, after this and do the recap. Or I mean, do the down below. Yeah, so my makeup look today is all brand new makeup that I've never used before. I am getting ready to film that video to show you what I did use and also a haul. So stay tuned for that. This video will be up before that, but keep an eye out for that because it's kind of interesting. I don't know that I like it too much. The foundation I like. The eyebrows I don't. But we'll go through all that in the next video. So please stay tuned for that video. Thank you guys so much for being here. Let me know down in the comments, do you guys still receive Ipsy? What are you thinking about the Ultimate? And did you guys get the same thing as me? Because I love seeing what everybody gets because I don't watch spoilers until after I open my box. That way I can be surprised with you guys. So other than that, like I said, please communicate with me. I love it. It's so fun. And that's it. Have a fantastic day, you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.